So this one is our Paxton table, which is part of our Reclaimed Timber range, and this is probably our most popular table.
There's a very familiar sense with these tables. They're quite textural.
Yeah, they are. So they're actually salvaged from buildings, bridges, boats from over 100 years ago, and they've been lovingly crafted. And if this isn't your style, we've got round ones, we've got outdoor ones. Some are more traditional, some are a little bit more contemporary, and some have got that industrial look.
One thing that I find with tables is that they kind of tell the story of the people's life. So I think on a table like this I could see some really meaty, chunky kind of fashion books and some, say, brutalist metal sculpture with lots of warmth in the timber.
Yeah, lovely.
That'd work, wouldn't it?
Definitely,
Okay,
definitely.
done.
I love that.